Hi, I'm Ethan, and this is Monica. Obesity is a very common problem in America. Currently, 1 in every 3 Americans suffer from obesity. The United States is facing an obesity crisis. Currently, in America, the number 1 killer is heart disease. Number 2 is cancer. Heart disease can be hereditary, but also outside factors like obesity and stress contribute. 66% of adults in America are overweight. 1 in 3 are obese. Hello, you wonder why we have so much heart disease today. My grandma died from congestive heart failure. She was overweight most of her life. She was an amazing person, and I'll miss her. So my big why is to help others with the battle against obesity. I chose the Body by Vi 90-day challenge to give people a plan. To effectively lose weight, you need a plan. The second thing you need is accountability. Everyone who gets on the 90-day challenge with me, I will offer whatever level of accountability you want. A phone call, an email, daily, weekly. So first we'll create a plan. Second, I will offer accountability. The third step is action. This is something that I can't do for you. I did it. I can show you how. I understood what you will go through, but I repeat, I can't do it for you. Who? You. What? The 90-day challenge. Where? Everywhere. When? The time is now. Why? To help prevent losing a loved one. Maybe you're the loved one who's overweight, heart conditions, things like that. So there's 3 easy steps. The plan, accountability, and action. Go to my website, www.triguy, that's TRIGUY, dot myvi, which is MYVI.net. Let's get started today.